Hello dear students, hope so you all are healthy and happy and also doing the preparation for your upcoming exams. So now let us start with the revision. Before starting the revision, I would like to request you that please students do listen the revision carefully and also do note down in your notebook again and again, saying that please students do note down these revisions in your notebook so that you may get easy during your exam times. Now let us start with the first question, that is MCQ. The first question is, select the comparative degree of an adjective. Here we have to select the comparative degree of an adjective. So the first option here it is A largest, B large, C larger and D none of the above. As we have done comparison of degree of comparison in adjectives, so this chapter we have done it very thoroughly, and so the MCQs regarding this chapter will be very easy for you. So here we have to select the comparative degree of an adjective, and we know very well. So what is here the comparative degree of an adjective? The option C, larger, is the comparative degree of an adjective. Now second one, select the positive degree of an adjective. Here we have to select the positive degree of an adjective. So A prettiest, B pretty, C prettier and D A and B both. Here the positive degree of an adjective is option B, pretty. Is it clear? The positive degree of an adjective here it is B, pretty. Now let us see the third one. Select the superlative degree of an adjective. Here we have to select the superlative degree. So option A, more intelligent, B, intelligent, C, most intelligent and D, none of the above. The answer it is option C, most intelligent. Option C, most intelligent. Fourth one, write the superlative degree of an adjective good. Here the positive degree is given good. अब इस good का, इस adjective good का we have to write superlative degree. So the options given over here are option A, best, B, better, C, good and D, A and B both. But here the superlative degree of an adjective good is best. Good, better, best. We have seen in our textbook while the explanation was going on. So the answer is A, best for an adjective good. Is it clear to you all? Now let us move on towards the next page with our fifth of MCQ. Fifth MCQ, select an adverb of time. Here we have to select the adverb of time. Here we have to select the adverb which represents the time. So the options given over here are option A, hardly, B, well, C, today and D, more. So which one shows the time? Today. Today means it shows the time. So option C, today, is the right answer of an adverb of time. Now sixth, select an adverb of place. Here which of the adverb represents place? So let us see. A, quite, B, here, C, easily and D, often. Obviously B, option B here shows the adverb of place. Seventh, select an adverb of frequency. Here we have to select the adverb of frequency. So option A, boldly, B, now, C, very and D, often. So D, often shows an adverb of frequency. Now let us see the eighth one. Select an adverb of degree. Here we have to select an adverb of degree. So option A, very, B, fast, C, up, and D, rarely. Here option A, very, shows the adverb of degree. So option A, very, is the answer of adverb of degree. Hope so you are clear with all of these 8 MCQs. Now let us move on towards the next question. Question 2. Fill in the blanks with the adjective given in the box to complete the story. Here in a box you have given the adjectives and you have to choose these adjectives from the given box and you have to complete the story. As in during the chapter explanation we have done this. So again, a dash jackal came along. I shall help you, he whispered to the man in a low voice. He went to the impatient tiger and asked where he had been when the man first came along. Thoughtlessly the tiger jumped in the abandon. I was here, he said in an annoyed tone. The wily jackal shut the cage and walked away with the trembling man. As we have studied this story, that there was a cunning jackal came over there. I shall help you, he whispered to the man. He then slowly whispered to the man in a low voice that he can help him. And then he went to the impatient tiger and asked where he had been when the man first came there. Then what happens? Thoughtlessly that tiger jumped in the abandon and said that I was here in an annoyed tone, means in an aggressive tone. Then the jackal, who is cunning, so the wily jackal suddenly shut the cage and walked away with the trembling man, and in this way the jackal saved the trembling man from the obviously tiger. Hope so you are clear with the story of cunning jackal and tiger and a man. So did you get it clear that you have to use the adjective and complete the story? Already you have given the options about the story, so you can complete it easily. Now question 3, that is match the pair. Here question 3 we are having match the pair. So the first one, superlative degree. So superlative degree, here in option B we are having most. Then the positive degree match with little. The comparative degree match with easier. The adverb of frequency match with frequently. The adverb of manner match with lovingly. Adverb of place match with inside. And last, the adverb of time is matched with after. So this match the pair is really easy for you, so you can do it. Now question 4, that is do as directed. So here the first one is, this is the worst film I have ever seen. This is the worst film that I have ever seen. Now what you have to do here, change the sentence into comparative degree. Now we have to change this sentence into comparative degree. So this film is worse than any other film I have seen. What will be the answer while changing the sentence into comparative degree? The answer will be, this film is worse. Worst सुपरलेटिव डिग्री है, उसका कंपैरेटिव डिग्री हो जाएगा worse. ठीक है. So the film is worse. Again worse is the comparative degree, worst is the superlative degree. This film is worse than any other film I have seen. Clear? Second, this is the most luxurious resort I have ever visited. This is the most luxurious resort I have ever visited. Now what you have to do in this? Change the sentence into positive degree. This we have to change it into positive degree. Here most luxurious means most, here it is superlative degree, and this we have to change in positive degree. So the answer will go like this: I have never visited a resort as luxurious as this is. As when I have taught you, I have said you that जब पॉजिटिव होगा तब एस, फिर जो वर्ड अगेन एस, अगर सुपरलेटिव है तो एस टी लगेगा या तो फिर मोस्ट आगे लग जाएगा, अगर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री है तो पीछे ई आर लगेगा या तो फिर मोर लगेगा. ठीक है. सो हियर वी हैव टू चेंज इट इनटू द पॉजिटिव डिग्री. So the answer will go like this: I have never visited a resort as luxurious as this is. Clear? Move on towards the third one. Third, write the comparative degree of an adjective little. So here adjective little is given and we have to write the comparative degree of it. So little का comparative हो जाएगा less. लिटिल का कंपैरेटिव हो जाएगा लेस. दिस आर कॉल्ड इरेगुलर एडजेक्टिव्स विच वी हैव ऑलरेडी लर्न एंड आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉट यू ड्यूरिंग द एक्सप्लेनेशन. नाउ फोर्थ, राइट द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव मोर. इज इट क्लियर? राइट द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव मोर. मच, मोर, मच क्या हो जाएगा इसका पॉजिटिव डिग्री, मोर इज द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री. इज इट क्लियर? सो हियर कंपैरेटिव डिग्री ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव मोर इज गिवन. वी हैव टू राइट द पॉजिटिव डिग्री ऑफ इट. सो द पॉजिटिव डिग्री विल बी मच. फिफ्थ वन, राइट द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव ब्यूटीफुल. सो द आंसर विल बी मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. ठीक है. पॉजिटिव ब्यूटीफुल, कंपैरेटिव मोर ब्यूटीफुल, सुपरलेटिव मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. सो हियर द आंसर ऑफ एन एडजेक्टिव ब्यूटीफुल will be most beautiful. Most beautiful is the superlative degree of an adjective beautiful. Now in the sixth one you have to circle an adverb of time. You are given here adverbs, kind of adverbs you are given over here, and from this you have to find out which is the adverb of time. So the options given to you are quite, now, up, fast. So here now shows the adverb of time. Now means abhi. What does it shows? It shows an adverb of time. Hope so you are clear with the 6 of the questions. So let us move on towards the next page. Now name the kind of adverb given below. यहाँ पर हमें एडवर्ब दिया गया है मोर. मोर, here the adverb more is given and we have to identify which kind of adverb is it. So more is an adverb of degree. More is an adverb of degree. More क्या है? An adverb of degree. Now 8th one, Mohan is late for class, and in bracket you are having rarely. Now what you have to do in this sentence? Rewrite the sentence using the adverb in the bracket. The word or the adverb which you have given here in the bracket, you have to use that adverb and you have to rewrite the sentence again. So how will you write it? The answer will go like this: Mohan is rarely late for class. Mohan is rarely late for class. We will use rarely here in this sense, Mohan is rarely late for class. Let us see ninth one. We went for a movie yesterday. Again, you are given here an adverb in the bracket and you have to rewrite the sentence using this adverb. So, we will write the answer in such a way. The answer is we went for a movie yesterday, or you can write also yesterday we went for a movie. Both the way are correct. Either you can write we went for a movie yesterday or yesterday we went for a movie. You can write in a both way. I will finish my work soon. Here soon is been underlined. Now what we have to do here? Identify the kind of underlined adverb. The adverb which has been underlined, we have to identify which kind of adverb is it. So soon, what does soon shows? Soon मतलब कि जल्द ही, ठीक है, तो ये क्या बताता है? It shows adverb of time. So the 10th one is adverb of time because here soon describes or shows the time. 11th one, sit here. Sit here. Now here is underlined and what we have to do? Again the same. Identify the kind of underlined adverb. यहाँ पर जो here को underline किया है उसको हमें identify करना है. तो what does an adverb here shows? The adverb here shows adverb of place. Here मतलब यहाँ. तो what does it shows? यहाँ. What does it shows? It shows place. जगह दिखाता है. So it's adverb of place. Hope so you are clear with all this. 11 doers directed. Now let us move on towards more. 12th one, I am leaving for London today. I am leaving for London today. Here you have to underline the adverb. यहाँ पर आपको adverb कौन सा है उसको find करके यहाँ पर उसको underline करना. Depict नहीं करना है, लिखना नहीं है कि ये कौन सा kind of adverb है. Today. Today means आज, ये टाइम दिखाता है, लेकिन यहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ टुडे को अंडरलाइन करना है. यू डोंट हैव टू राइट इट्स एडवर्ब ऑफ टाइम. यू जस्ट हैव टू फाइंड आउट द एडवर्ब एंड यू हैव टू जस्ट अंडरलाइन द एडवर्ब. नाउ 13th वन, द प्रिंस वॉज वेरी एक्साइटेड to see the palace. Again the same thing, you have to just underline the adverb. So the adverb here it is very, which shows frequency here, but you don't have to describe what kind of adverb it is. You have to just underline the adverb. So the 13th one adverb here it is very, which you have to underline. Hope so you are clear with the revision we have gone through today. Please students, do note down and good luck for your exams. Thank you and have a nice day.